Welcome back to another video. I am joined by Jesse Sunset.
My mate.
What is up? He's from Australia and he told me the
right.
other day he's never tried Costco food court before.
Yeah, I actually can't remember if we have Costco in Australia. I think maybe we do. But either way, I've never been to Costco and I've definitely never had their food court. So what do you reckon we should eat there, mate? What's gonna be good?
Honestly, I have not had Costco in such a long time. We gotta try as many things as we can.
Have you got your Costco card with you, mate?
No, I don't have a Costco membership, but
What?
last time,
How are we gonna get Costco without a Costco
I think with the outdoor Costco's, you can actually walk in without a membership. But
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Probably give me, if I say, look, I've come all the way from Australia, can I have a little bit of Costco hot dog? They can't deny me, can they, without a card?
I don't know, but like outside, I think as long as the food court is outside, we're allowed to go into the food court. How long have you been living in this area for? How many years? Like you're from Australia originally.
Yeah, Sydney, Australia. Mum's American, Dad's Australian, but I've been living around here in Venice Beach close to 2 years on and off now. I go home for the holidays, but yeah, been loving the Venice Beach area. It's a great area, good stuff.
Yeah, it's such a chill atmosphere, and also the culture here is just relaxed. I mean,
Oh, Venice Beach, you've got the sun and the surf, and then you've got the wacky, wild Hollywood vibes. For me, it's a bit of everything, and I absolutely love it.
best part about the Costco hot dog is that you get a soda and a hot dog for $1.50. So it's pretty crazy. You can add as many onions as you want, and also mustard, ketchup, relish, everything.
What do you
basically.
mean? What do you mean as many onions as you want?
Yeah.
Well, what if I said give me 1,000 onions? They would just have to do that?
They've got a onion.
So like
machine.
onions, they go, yeah, and I go more.
No,
more.
You add the onions yourself. It's like an onion dispenser.
Oh, you onion yourself.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
basically it's like you roll the thing and it cuts up these fresh onions. It's just magical.
What?
That's how it used to be before COVID. I don't know what it's like
I
now.
don't know, man. I've never heard about it. I've never had it, but I'm very excited to try it. There's actually, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's quite a lot of people around at the moment. Tomorrow is the first hurricane to make landfall in Southern California in about 80 years. So people are kind of prepping, people are kind of stressing, but not us. We're just here reviewing food at Costco.
Hi, could I get one pepperoni pizza?
Chicken bake?
Okay, 2 hot dogs, and I can't order a fresh pizza? No more fresh pizza? Oh, apparently here at Costco, you do need a membership, but back in the day when I used to come here, I never had a membership, and I always came here and they, let me use the food court, especially when it was outside. Cool. But yeah, right now they say you need a membership to do it. So we gotta go ask them people, see who will give us their membership to use.
We've taken a hostage, and thankfully she has a Costco card.
Oh, good. You said it
Shout her
already.
out, mate. Shout her out.
Go.
Costco membership. Oh,
Go
perfect.
use it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, do I need to go right there and use it right there?
Right there, yeah.
Oh, it's very high tech. Okay, so we gotta actually go over here, scan this. 2 hot dogs and also 1 chicken bake. Oh, no sauerkraut. Okay.
Everything over there.
Oh, okay, ketchup and all that. Any onions? Any onions anymore or no? Oh, closing, okay. This is what I get when I normally get a hot dog. I would normally order Parmesan cheese and if they have onions and then also sauerkraut, but apparently they're out of sauerkraut for the day. So we pump, now I need to get the relish on there. I feel very strongly about the relish. So whatever squirts we can get, we try to get. But it's not working.
It's not working very good.
We're gonna try to get the mustard on there, and a little bit of ketchup. Okay, let's go and try these hot dogs out. I mean, for the price, you cannot beat that.
What up, mate? Let's eat these bloody hot dogs.
Yeah,
Let's go.
A lot of mustard on mine. You got a little bit of mustard.
We got the glizzies, and this guy really went extra on the mustard. He loves the mustard.
Well, when you don't have any sauerkraut or any onions, you gotta compensate for it with extra mustard. So,
Ooh, Costco.
in
You're really dripping on
damn.
me, man.
Oh, that's crazy.
I'm not trying to get painted with the mustard. Anyway, this is the Costco hot dog. Pretty legit.
It's like crazy right here.
Here we
It's
go,
going
mate.
everywhere.
All right.
Okay, here we
Glizzy
go.
goblin at the same time. I'm actually loving that. The beef Frankfurt, to me, tastes like the 4th of July. But if you're eating this, it's the 4th of July every day of the month, of the year. Just the basics of the mustard and the ketchup on an all beef Frankfurt, classically American taste. I actually think this is pretty good.
It's still a 10 out of 10. It's a classic. For the price point, the hot dog itself is super juicy. The way they cook it is like they soak it in this water and slow cook it for a long time. It just kind of like snaps in your mouth.
It has that snap, which
Yeah.
is important. You need the snap on the beef Frankfurt, straight up.
Yeah, you gotta have that snap. And yeah, unfortunately, we don't have Parmesan cheese to throw on this, and we don't have that like fresh onion that you like grill on the top of it, but it's like, this is still a 10 out of 10. It's amazing.
And to me, this crosses international boundaries. Whether you're from Australia, whether you're from Canada, whether you're from England, you're gonna love a dog like this. It's just a tasty. There's no way with the bread, the beef Frankfurt, the condiments, that this isn't a tasty treat. If you don't like this, I don't know what's wrong with you, mate. And for $1.50, you couldn't really go much better.
The bread is a simple bread. It's not an amazing bread. It's just like an American white bread. It's got some sesame on the top. You know, it's a classic American style hot dog. It's not changed for like 30 or 40 years. It's perfect.
Dude, in Australia, we have something called a sausage sanger. And a sanger is just a hot dog with 2 pieces of white, like Wonder Bread, and grilled onions, and maybe a little bit of barbecue sauce or ketchup. And that's the classic Australian sausage sandwich, and people love them, you know? And I can also see how this is the American counterpart.
Absolutely.
Mate.
Also, the Vegemite sandwich with a hot dog, right?
Don't talk shit on the Vegemite sandwich. I'm not here for it. I'm not here to do that.
Gotta have the Vegemite with a little bit of butter on the white bread, right?
You want white bread and you want lots of butter and a smidge of Vegemite. That's how it goes. Here's the Costco $1.50 hot dog. I know it's a bit awkward, but let's cheers to glizzies, whether you want to or not, mate. Here you go.
Cheers.
Bump them together.
Another great thing about this, even though I got some mustard and ketchup on the straws, you get free soda refills. So you can have the Costco hot dog with your free soda. It's perfect. And it's only $1.50. The whole thing, the whole package.
Costco's a good deal, mate. Costco's a good deal.
You could literally come here every day. I don't recommend it for your health.
No, probably not good for the heart. I'm happy I came here today. It's Saturday afternoon, and tomorrow the hurricane strikes, and we're feasting big up at the Costco, mate.
I can definitely eat at Costco every 2 or 3 days though. I have one meal here. It's perfect.
I'm down, man. This is delish.
So let's break this the traditional way. You grab one side and I grab the other, and we open it up to show
Are you for real?
them what's inside. Yeah.
So whoever
It's
pulls
like-
off the larger side wins, I imagine.
Yeah, we're gonna try.
All right, here we go.
We'll try to make it even. But
1,
let's see.
2.
Oh, you win! You
Which
won.
one's longer?
Definitely you.
Pretty even, man.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Mine might be a bit wider. Yours is maybe the same length. I don't know. Plus, what even is this?
So it's Caesar dressing on the inside. There's some cheese, and yeah, basically it's like a chicken Caesar salad inside of a pastry like this.
Is there bacon in this thing? It smells bacony.
Bacon inside? I don't
Maybe
know.
it's ham. I don't know. I smell
yeah.
I smell a porky vibe.
I think there is a little bit of bacon shreds in there, but
Or
mostly
ham.
it's chicken. And then the Parmesan cheese on the outside, so it's like a wannabe Caesar salad wrap, but it's actually like no salad, so it's not very healthy.
Mate, I've never tried anything like this. Cheers. Probably 2 times.
Honestly,
'Cause it looks funny. 3
yeah,
times.
3 times.
Here we go.
It's literally like, I never had this. Let's see.
It's yummy. But it also tastes like something you might get laying in a hospital bed, where they come in and they go, "Oh, you got to eat, and we've made this for you."
Hospital food in Australia or hospital food here in America?
Well, I don't really have the health insurance to be talking about hospital food in America. I can't afford that shit. But back home, yeah, you probably get something like this in the hospital.
Yeah, so in Australia, they serve good food, and in America serves apparently really horrible food at the hospital. Because this is actually pretty good for hospital food here in America. And I don't really care about the food when I'm paying $16,000 per night when I'm sitting inside the hospital.
But honestly, like, it is tasty. You know, you just want to chill at home. You want to watch some TV. You want to eat some comfort food. This is definitely comfort food. And like we said, the price point here is pretty damn good.
Yeah, this is probably a 6 out of 10 to be honest for myself. It's not as good as the hot dog. The hot dog is a 10 out of 10. This is $3.99. It's really creamy, nice. I mean, honestly, it's a bit bland to be honest. Like, really. What do you think? Like,
How much was this?
$3.99. I think
It's pretty good for $3.99.
I think go with the pizza for $9.99 though. It's way
Oh,
better.
and even the hot dog I think was better.
Yeah, the hot dog's better than this. I'd rather get the hot dog.
This thing is fun, but there's something about it that I'm not too sure about. I like it, but I don't necessarily trust it. Do we even know what meat is really in here?
It's the kind of chicken that they put into big warehouses and then they just pack them together, make them super big and fat, and then the chicken grows like, a couple weeks, and then they, do their thing with the chicken, put it inside the sandwich, and we have it here.
Is that what they're doing to the chickens?
Yeah, they're lumping them up, making them huge in like a matter of weeks.
They're juicing the chickens.
I saw chicken that was the size of turkey the other day here. I was like, that did not exist even a couple years ago. The wings of the chicken, every part of the chicken is massive, and they probably grow it in like a matter of like 3 or 4 months.
Dude, I need some of this chicken drugs. Shoot me up, make me big, man. I could be getting loaded off the chicken
Just eat some
enhancers,
chicken.
man. Oh, they probably have some of the growth hormones in them.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God.
So what do you think? You give it a 7 or 8 out of 10?
Ooh, nah, that's a little high. Well, wait. For taste, I could go around 7.
I give the hot dog a 10, so like, yeah, 6 for this, I'd say, but yeah.
But I
7's
worry
not
about
bad.
what this actually is. Probably put my score down to more of a 6.5.
Yeah, because like,
In my humble opinion.
the Caesar dressing that's inside here, then all the
Oh.
cheese to make it all flavorful. I mean, it's good. I like it, but I wish they had like some like Caesar dressing to go with it or something, or like some ranch, like throw on some ranch. It's a bit bland. Actually, I'll be right back. Honestly, it's too bland. I had to get some mustard.
Dude, this guy's the mustard monster.
Well, they don't
I've
have any
seen
other
you
food.
consume about a liter. You guys do liters? Yeah, you did liters.
Yeah, liters.
You've had about a liter of mustard, mate.
Honestly, like they don't have any other food. Like there's no sauerkraut, there's no Parmesan, there's no things that I used to have from Costco. So now I gotta resort to eating mustard. Let's see if it's better with the mustard. Maybe I'm gonna bump it up to a 7. It's a 7 now.
Yeah?
Bumped it up. I mean, mustard definitely helps. Mustard helps everything. Ketchup is too sugary. At least
Right.
mustard is more like a little bit more sour.
Mustard is a great condiment. There's no two ways about it. What do you got in there, mate?
So I mixed Brisk and Starry, which is a lemon lime soda. I never tried Starry before, but I used to mix whatever lemon lime soda they had with Brisk before, and it was always fun. But honestly, I'm not a soda guy, but we're gonna try this. I have not had this in like.
So you got lemon lime and you're going with some iced tea.
Yeah.
Is this a traditional American mix? Is this what people are doing over here? Is that what you guys are doing?
It's kind of like a mixture that I was led on to by a friend of mine, and then I've always gone with it. It's good. It's like
A bit of a secret sauce passed
yeah,
down through the
exactly,
ages.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. I can feel it, man. Let me have a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, try it. So it's the raspberry iced tea and lemon lime.
Oh, that's refreshing. I can see that.
I think it's a
Watch
pretty
your
common.
step, mate.
Yeah, thank you. It's a common mixture, but I don't know who's doing this or if this is just my thing. Yeah, no one.
What do you rate it from 1 out of 10, man?
I think nostalgia wins, and it's
Right.
probably a 7.9 or something, or 8.5. But honestly, I can't drink this every day. It's not my drink.
You wouldn't want to.
No. That was a great review. I mean, that was a lot of fun. We just came in a little bit late. Apparently at Costco, they closed down and they don't let people have pizza at a certain time. So we missed it by like 5 or 10 minutes.
They wouldn't let me breakdance in there. It's obscene. I'm a great breakdancer, but that's their own thing, man.
Their policy.
They miss out.
And apparently
They
you
miss
need
out.
a Costco membership to even get the food court now in 2023.
Yeah.
I thought we could go in and have the food court. I don't know, like most of the time it was fine.
I don't know. Costco sounds like you guys have gotten a little bit elitist lately, but that's all good.
They're elite now at Costco,
Yeah.
so.
Well, anyway, we still ate your hot dogs. We still ate the bake. It was weird.
It was good, 10 out of 10 for the hot dog. The bake, it was okay,
Yeah.
but yeah, pretty much exactly what I expected. I think you would like the pizza. The pizza's pretty legit.
I've heard the pizza's good.
It's not like amazing pizza, it's just like for the price and everything. $9.99.
Well, hey, look, my favorite pizza's Little Caesars, so
Yeah.
you're not really competing against too much with me on the pizza level.
Yeah. definitely. No, Little Caesars is like the bottom of the barrel for pizza. But
I won't hear it. Little Caesars.
yeah,
Great.
I'm sure like, you know, when it's hot, it's good. That's why it's called the hot and ready. But once
They
it
have
gets,
they have this new pizza called the Fanceroni, and this is not an ad.
yeah,
The Fanceroni pepperoni from Little Caesars is absolutely fire. Get it extra well crisped up. Trust me, in its price point, you're not going to find a better pizza than the Fanceroni pepperoni from Little Caesars. It's
so
worth
you-
the extra bucks.
so you have to get it extra crisped up.
You have to get it extra charred, man.
That's-
Get that undercarriage nice and charred up.
That sounds great, actually.
Mate,
Yeah.
thanks for taking me to Costco.
Yeah. No,
Good
it's
stuff.
Great to hang out with you, and I'll see you next time I come back from
Mate.
China for sure.
Dude, 100%. I'm gonna try some of the crazy food you've been eating as well.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Good shit.
We got to.
Cheers, guys.